How do you know you have a bad high pressure fuel pump and it's time to replace it? Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your high pressure fuel pump is bad and it's time to replace it? The high pressure fuel pump is usually located on top of the cylinder head and is driven by the camshafts. Most time you will find high pressure fuel pump on GDI engine, also known as gasoline direct injection engine. By having high pressure fuel pump, this will provide more power, this will improve fuel economy, and overall you will have better engine performance. There are a lot of reasons why high pressure fuel pump fell. For example, you may use the wrong engine oil or the camshaft low may be worn. When the high pressure fuel pump is not working properly, this will affect the fuel system and you're going to notice the following symptoms. The first common symptom is going to be hard start. If you notice that it takes a few attempts to get your engine to start, there's a good chance that high pressure fuel pump is on its way out. The next common symptom is going to be stalling out of nowhere. Let's just say if you are driving and your vehicle is running fine, let's just say it had good power, you don't notice any engine performance issue, the vehicle is not overheating and the battery light is not on, and the engine stalls out of nowhere, there's a good chance there's something wrong with that fuel system and it's caused by that high pressure fuel pump. The next common symptom is going to be hesitation when accelerating. For example, if you notice that when you step on a gas pedal and you're trying to take off and you notice the vehicle has a hard time accelerating and it feels like it's hesitating and it feels like the engine is going to sputter, there's a good chance, again, that high pressure fuel pump is causing that issue. The sputtering and hesitation issue is most noticeable around 2,000 to 4,000 RPM. Since the high pressure fuel pump is part of the fuel system, and if there's anything wrong with the fuel system, this can affect gas mileage. So the next common problem is poor gas mileage. The next common problem is going to be low power. If your fuel system is affected, this will definitely affect air and fuel ratio, and this can affect engine performance. And again, you will notice low power. The next common symptom is your check engine light is flashing and you're getting engine misfire. If fuel pressure is low and inconsistent, this will affect the fuel system and the amount of fuel getting sprayed into the engine. Again, you will notice an engine misfire. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.